the shells but leave the tail. Here a shrimp, I just peel this one but I leave the tail because you will hold the tail when you dip into the mixture. We have 1.5 cup all-purpose flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and then 1 teaspoon of garlic salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And then for breadcrumbs, I use Panco breadcrumbs. This will make our shrimp crunchy and crispy. So I will put this one here. So first you will dip the shrimp into the flour. And then to the eggs. So that's why you don't want to cut the tail because you're gonna hold into the tail. And then after egg, you will dip into the breadcrumbs. So this is it. This is ready to fry. So when the oil is hot, you will put the shrimp. You will cook them for about 3 minutes until the shrimp becomes golden brown. So when the shrimp is done, it turns like this, so that's ready. This one. Delicious. Ayan guys, ito na po siya guys. Really crunchy and crispy.